How to show keyboard keys pressed in Blender. Go to Edit and select Preferences. Select Get Extensions or Add-ons for older versions of Blender, and then in the search bar type Screencast. You should see Screencast Keys. Select it and install. You can click this triangle to bring down preferences, like selecting this box, Enable on Startup. Press N to bring out this side panel, and you should now see the tab for Screencast Keys. Check the box to activate. We can open the settings to adjust the size of the mouse and keystrokes we see on screen. To start drawing and animating in Blender Grease Pencil, check out this Blender Grease Pencil Basics video by clicking the end card or link in the description and pinned comment. For an extremely comprehensive course on mastering Blender, check out 2Animate Academy. It features downloadable Blender assets and lessons taught by animators who worked on the Netflix hit series Maya and the Three. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.